Hi guys, so I'm just gonna discuss the types of website that we will make in this course. Okay, so the first website is a blog or a personal brand website. So this is a good website if you want to make money by being a blogger, or if you want to be an internet marketer or an online marketer, or if you want to be a social media expert or whatever kind of personal brand website. Okay, so for example, your personal development coach. Okay, then this type of website is good for you. Okay, so number two, business website. Okay, so this kind of website is good for making a corporate website or a local business website. Okay, so this kind of website is what you can offer to your clients. Okay, number three, online or e-commerce store. So if you want to sell products online, then it is good to make this type of website.